Okay, so I'm making this video for Peanut. Um, Sitting here, guess I didn't make bail. Got time and story to tell. Started when I was 9 years old. Woke up and daddy was gone. I started hustling and they couldn't tell me nothing. Running in the hood trying to be somebody. So was on them day. I was searching for something. Trying to be good. I tried to keep from trouble. Living too fast. Trying to make good, gonna hustle. Sometimes it gets rough, y'all. Coming from where I'm from. That's that.